Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple pencil skirt which will fit many fashion dolls. And this is a remastered version of an older tutorial on my website and YouTube channel, so some of my images are a little older, a little more pixelated. The free patterns will fit your tall Barbie, regular Barbie, curvy Barbie, and many dolls in that same size range. Now, before we begin, please go to my website, shelleywood.com, to download and print this free PDF sewing pattern. Once you've got the pattern downloaded, use it to cut out the skirt from, I recommend, knit fabric. Hem the long side of the rectangle. Now, if you need help with hems, look for a link to my whip stitch tutorial in the description area below. Now you're going to create a casing on the opposite long side, and again, I have a tutorial on casings, but it's kind of like a hem, just deeper. Now your skirt looks like this. Cut a piece of elastic that's 10 centimeters long. That's about 4 inches in imperial measurements. Attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic and send it through the casing just like you see me doing right here. Now fold your skirt in half and stitch the two shortest sides of the rectangle together. Your skirt should look like this now. Now you're ready to invert it. And that's what I'm doing here, just turning it right side out. Try it on your doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns and tutorial videos, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com.
What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Shelley Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula.
Pattern alteration is when you take a pattern that you already own and you make changes to it. Let's say a dress doesn't fit your doll quite right. I'll show you how to create a gusset to extend the dress's bodice. Along the same lines, I'll show you how to use a doll's body measurements to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves, and to recreate the pants patterns you already own so they will fit dolls of different shapes and sizes. Following my instructions, you'll learn how to reshape dresses and skirts, making them fuller or less full depending on the look you're going for. With this collection of more than 40 videos, you'll use my measurement guide and dozens of tips and tricks to create a full wardrobe for the doll or dolls of your choice.
I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.
Thank you for watching this remastered video. Adding voiceover helps the translator monkeys when people who don't read English want to see directions in their primary language. It also helps the visually impaired.